Hello guys, this is Emmett Walker, the Living Calculator, and what I'm gonna do is to give you an infinite set of irrational numbers. No joking. You might think that this thing is impossible, that it's too crazy, too good to be true. Because what I'm gonna do is to take the square root of any number by hand. Seriously, I'm not joking. I didn't make this, and it was discovered prehistorically, and the method of which is what I'm going to show you. So, let's say you want the square root of 65,720. Now, for the first step, you need to pair these. You need to pair with the decimal point as the reference. It's in pairs of 2, so 20, which in this case here is paired. 5 and 7 is also paired. And now, for the second step, this will get a little tricky. You need to memorize all of the perfect squares from 100 and below. In this case, we have 6. What is the perfect square that's beneath it? 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 3 equals 9. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. And that's what I'm going to do today. Here. 2 squared. And then 4. That'll give us 2. Now bring down these two pairs of numbers. And you need to double this. So do this and then add this contraption. Now the largest digit which has a number that's equal to or less than will be the digit over here. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Let's say the digit is 5. Here we have 25, 5, 15, 20, 22. Seems fair enough. I'll put this here. And let's do this. Let's do calculation. So 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Boom. Now, get these two pairs out here. So you need 3, 2, 2, 0. Now that just leaves us with 25. So double that. You got 50. And this will be a hundreds place number. So let's add this contraption. This blank times blank equals this. With the last digit of this times that digit will be equal to a number that's equal or greater, equal or less than the resultant number. Again, the largest number possible for this. Now, let's do a little bit of estimation. That's what I did for the previous one. So, 500, 6, 12, 10, 15, 20. Let's try 6. 506 times 6. Here. 36. 6 times 0 is 0. 36. 3036. Seems good enough. 256 point something. So, we already have that away. And now we're gonna have 3036. And now we're gonna borrow this 4 1 1 8 wait 2 1 okay 4 184. Now, upon reaching past the decimal point, add another pair of zeros. This gives you 18400 or 18400. Dang, I'm struggling with my communication skills. Okay, get this number. So, you have 512 times blank equals. Now, double this number, and what's the closest possible number that we can do that with this, where the last digit times that digit equals the greatest number that is less than or equal to this. Again, we'll do some rough estimation here, which in this case is 5123 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, 6, 3, 1, 5. Good enough. 246.3, 15369, 9, and wait, 1, 9, 1, okay, 1, 3, 0, 3, 3031. Add another pair of zeros, then 256.3, disregard the decimal at this point, which is this. So 2563 times 2, you should get 6, 12, 5, 5126, 5126 blank times blank equals what? Okay, we're getting really close to our answer. So, as we continue, this gets closer to our answer. And this is infinite, by the way, so not going to do. Instead, what we're going to do is give an estimation, or in this case, round up to this point, the second digits. Now, let's try again. This time we'll use 6 because it's our closest number out here. So 51266 times 6. Here, 36, 39, 612, 6, and 30. Whoops! I think we got a little too far. So, what we're gonna do is decrease the value by 1 because I think we have a little bit of offhander here. So 51265 times 5, which gives us 25, 2, 3, 5, 10, 5, 5. So, okay, to try another one, let's give us a recap. 51265 times 5. To see how I did it. 5, 25, 3, 10, 5, 6, 256,325. So 256,325. There. And, well, let's get it straight. Seven, 6. Wait, Wait. Okay. Let's try this again. 30310256325. Now borrow this. 5 7 7. So 9 minus 5, 4, 3 minus 2. Okay. And what that is. So now we have our answer 25635, and now it's gonna be a little bit over the other half of the number digits. So let's get this and 25635 times 2. So 2. Shoot. Let's try this. 2. 3, 6, 7, 6, 12. Okay. 12. Actually, you know what? Let's get this approximately 256.36. Now, we'll use a calculator. We'll use a calculator. Okay, so let's get this straight. Wait. Wait. Boom, y'all. We actually did it. Woo! So that's how you take the square root of any number by hand. See you guys next time on the channel.